Do you remember when I said that I wasn't going to buy any more bags this year? Yeah, no, I don't either. I don't recall that whatsoever. We've got a new bag unboxing today, as well as a new vintage piece and spoils from a Rene Caovilla sample sale. Oh my gosh, I need to go to the gym more. That shouldn't have been that difficult. That is what we're going to get into in today's video. Links will be below or in the shopping button on the screen as usual. The bag is from Matches, and this part of the video is very kindly sponsored by Matches Fashion. So their Black Friday sale has officially kicked off by the time this video is out. For the links for it, go to the description box, but they have got some very good pieces. I thought that I would highlight some of my favourites that I think are worth having a look at. First of all, a lot of Valentino is on sale and good discounts are to be had. The Tango platforms that I love, the all crystal versions. Have you seen the deal on those? I'm this close to pulling the trigger because they're fabulous and I love mine, and they go with everything, and then the crystal version is just so me. But anyway, Valentino Rockstud shoulder bag, which I really like, I think is a really great bag. That's 30% off. Nina Ricci by Harris Reed, a few of the pieces from his collection are in there. This really beautiful knitted turtleneck, which has fabulous voluminous sleeves. Kate shearling jacket, okay, with like the shearling trim. Also, I was really shocked to see this in the sale. There's quite a few Loewe pieces in the sale, including this dress with the anthurium, the mesh. This was a really great piece of the summer. I think it's going to be a great one to just have for next summer as well. Also, the Valentino ballet flats are in there. A good sale is to be had. So the Matches sale ends on the 4th of December. I'm a liar. It actually ends on the 14th of December. Now is the time to get your goodies to under the tree. That's all I'm saying. Okay, link is below. They always do super fast shipping, really easy returns. Thank you so much to Matches for sponsoring this part of the video. Let me tell you what I got. Speaking of fast shipping, I ordered this and she came the next day. I have been looking at the crossbody version of this for the past few months. I've seen people rocking it and I'm like, oh, it's great, but I don't know why it's just not igniting a small fire in my soul, you know? And then I saw this version and it was sign me up. Are you ready? It is the Alaïa Lacquer Heart Clutch. Are you kidding me? Look at her. Look at how rich and decadent and delicious she is. This beautiful soft velvet, right? She's 3D. She's like a proper little heart. And then you have the adjustable piece here for your hand to weasel through. Okay, so you can clutch her like this. Fabulous, right? You can have her a little bit tighter, a little bit more snug. Hold on, let's do that. There we go. Okay, there you go, Christmas party with the look. I just enjoy this to hold. It's such a fabulous holding experience. It's like my pop socket on my phone. You know I love my pop socket. She gives me those vibes. I did see this in the, and then you just have the little silver debossing situation. 2 zips to open. Cassie, give the details, then talk about the story. She really opens quite wide, okay? That mouth is opening. And because of the 3D shape of it, you can pack a lot in here. Okay, everything. You're not going to have an issue. This is not... She looks TBE, so she's giving us TBE vibes, but she is very roomy. Okay, a lot is getting in there. Now, whilst I fill her up, let me tell you. So, I saw the version of this that was plain black leather, and already I was like, oh, the wheels are turning. I quite like you. I think I want you. I think that you would be a worthy addition to the wardrobe. Oh my gosh, still everything can fit in. Still so much more can fit in. All of this ridiculousness. I haven't put my biggest hand sanitizer and she's in. Absolutely no issues. Yes. Oh, obsessed. Anyway, I was almost convinced to get the black, and then I was like, oh, but it is a bit, there was something keeping me from pulling the trigger. And then I saw the navy blue. I am obsessed. This is light. She's easy. She's going to be one of those pieces that you can pack really easily for traveling. She packs a punch. She goes with a lot. What a fabulous fabulous little clutch moment. Clutches are in. Clutches are having a moment as well, okay, for spring summer of 2024. Keep her close. Adjustable. I just, like, knocked it out of the park. Alaya. Also, I'm loving Alaya and everything that they do at the moment. How fun is she? She's so fun and she's so cute. Welcome. The next piece. I hosted an event with What Goes Around Comes Around here in New York. They have 2 boutiques in New York and then one in LA, and then they're online as well. Basically, I did like a little event for them, kicking off with a couple of other hosts, kicking off their Black Friday sale. And I got to basically pick out everything I wanted to be dressed by them for the evening, and I was dripped out in vintage Chanel. I wore 2 Chanel belts and like a mini bag as a belt. I wore 6 vintage Chanel brooches, and then I had a vintage Celine boogie bag, all in crystals. A part of me was like, if you just never bring it back. Then again, the loan agreement did have my address on it. They do literally know where I live. But anyway, as part of that event, I was given some credit to spend. And I was in love with the look so much that I was like, I maybe need to invest over time in getting all of these pieces so that I can, execute this look every time. And they just have such an insane collection of, they have probably the biggest collection of Chanel outside of Chanel. Like, it's insane, the amount of pieces they have. Anyway, so I ended up getting one of the belts that I wore that night, which was this stunning gold 3-strand. You have these amazing gold Chanel coins, right? So she drips down the waist like this, and then you have the long gold chain with one more gold coin at the end, and then of course it's adjustable, so you just hook her wherever you want for however you want her to lie. The other thing with the Chanel belts is that you can like maybe do I don't know, I think I need to like try that out. Oh, just like what a fabulous piece. The weight as well. I just was so obsessed with that look that I was like, I have to try and piece this together myself. Like, this can't be a one and done. I love a good outfit repeat, and I shall be on my way to repeating it again. I'm also going to be doing some live shows for What Goes Around Comes Around, which is exciting. My first one is on Black Friday, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, there was a Rene Caovilla sample sale, and you know I'm a Rene Caovilla fan. I love this brand. I shout from the rooftops about this brand. So actually a few subscribers DM'd me on Instagram and was like, oh my gosh, do you know about this? You should go. So I saw it, clicked on it, and I booked tickets for the next day. And this was held by Showcase. Showcase is the company that does the sample sales. They also do some in London. So if you are UK based, have a look. They were very civilized in that everything was done by time slot. So I went for my time slot. I wasn't even at the front of the line. Everything was very civilized, and I got in, I had my eyes on my pieces, I grabbed them, I went to the corner, I decided, I paid, and I got out, okay? So I got 2 things for me, 1 thing for my mum, 1 thing for my grandma. Let's kick it off with my mother. I was FaceTiming her while I was there, and I was like, this is everything in a 38.5. Tell me what you want. So she ended up going for 1 pair. These were $550. I cannot find these online, but, so I'm assuming that they're maybe from like a season or 2 ago, but they're just like a really fabulous emerald, glistening crystal pair of platforms. And she's gonna kill it, of course she is. 38.5, $550. These shoes usually at Rene Caovilla are like, I would say £900, over $1,000. So they go. Oh, the other thing about it being a sample sale, sometimes they don't, depending on the brand or whatever, they don't give you any of the boxes and the dust bags, but they did for this. The next pair is for my grandma, and this was basically, Mum was like, look out for something that she could wear for your wedding. And you know, this is a grandmother, so it has to be comfortable for her, but with a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of something. So I got her these sort of Birkenstock-esque blue satin sandals, and then they've got little crystals around the bottom and around the buckles. The buckles are adjustable so that she can, you know, tailor it to her feet and all of that. And I think that's a cute little one, you know, a bit of razzle dazzle for grandma. Right, these were $400. Then let's get into mine. Okay, I'm gonna end with the one that really blew me away. But I saw these heels last year and really considered getting them, and then at the time I had my Valentino Tango platform boots that I have since gotten rid of. And so that was my reason as to why I shouldn't get it. I was like, oh, I think they're too similar. I'd wear them in too similar situations. However, they are no longer with me. I saw these at the sample sale. These were $600. They are currently online for about $1,400. Yes. Yes. Imagine her with a pair of tights and a mini skirt. Pleated skirt. Stunning. Okay? Imagine her with a black dress. Glittery. I love the fact that it's black crystals because it gives, like, the way it catches the light is different from if it was, you know, the white crystals. It's a little bit more subtle, but she's still statementy and fabulous, and she will still go with everything. Really comfortable. I tried it on while I was there. I'm a 39, tried and true, so I knew I was just like straight in for the 39s. And look at that Rene Caovilla glitter sole. Like, oh, it cannot go wrong, okay? Now, the last pair, this is my pride and joy, because if we cast our minds back to about a week ago, I did a video talking about the best winter luxury items, blah, 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 basically stuff that I'd seen that I wanted to show you that I thought was cool. One of them was a pair of Rene Caovilla winter boots, and I was like, oh, I don't think I should get them because I already have boots, but blah, blah, blah. But I was like this close. Like, do you see how tight? A hair's width. I was that close to getting them when I uploaded that video. And I got in that sample sale. And what do I see? In a size 39, the Aspen boot. I have never moved quicker. I was like, yeah, thank you. Like, and I think that was there only one pair of these in a 39? I was also considering, because they had my wraparound black ankle boots, without the wraparound, but with the crystal trim in a brown suede with a sock. And then I was like, no, that's too similar to what I already have. Let's go for the heavy duty. Do you see her crystal ropes? Do you see that she is shearling lined, but she's nylon on the outside, so guess what? She's all weather. So when that snow comes down, hopefully, it didn't come down last year, but I'm hoping for a white Christmas in New York, she's going to be serving looks in the snow, right? None of this all-weather ugly little boot for me. No. There's no compromising on style here. It's also got like an adjustable little thing so that you can tighten the ropes or whatever. The laces. Come on, Cassie. They are incredibly comfy, incredibly warm. This with a legging, stop. She's done. I was so happy when I saw these, let me tell you. It was fantastic. $600. These are going for $1,450. Thank you so much. I believe some of them have reached into the sale, but I don't think I've seen any less than $600. And anyway, it's a sample sale I cannot return, so there we go. Don't tell me if you see them cheaper, because I think I've got myself a pretty damn good deal here. There you go. I didn't intend for there to be a sample sale and me to be buying. But here we are. Don't forget to check out Match's Black Friday sale. Details are in the description box. I am going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.